So guys, today too we're on the set of Who Killed Loyalty. So still on the set of Who Killed Loyalty. We're here and I'm all dressed in my costume. You see, ready to do the action. This is my Oga at the top. Oh yeah.
We are here.
Yes, so
the house is full. We're the only shima in the building. The house is full.
That's oh yeah. Well done, sir. So today is a beautiful day. We have beautiful colors, sweet colors, Benue sweet colors, yeah. See, our DOP is up there. He's up there doing the do. This is my sister from another mother.
Yeah, hi.
They love your brother. Hi. Wow. Some people say that.
But it's not a bad thing now.
Ah, it's a bad thing.
Brother, I love you.
How can you be loving your brother?
Okay, Nanga.
Aboji International.
One of this your normal so never hidden. No dialogue.
Baba.
No sound. I just listen. Sister no be you.
Okay.
I can't wait Shima for now.
Okay.
So Shimane una Shima ta.
Baba so.
Shuna ngina. Call wait down balloon hanja. Do it anyway na that one only Shima in the building.
Yes, so.
The one and only Shima in the building.
About you tell.
So but so young lady na.
Whenever they want go mote nyale gan. It's work mama go.
Kana ga kwadziwa kyomi woni tell us ma.
I know okpezo waga. Umo hinge dziba.